What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? Let's take one last look across the market before we call it a day, right? Let's have a look at what's going on out there in crypto land. All right, so Crow having itself a nice pump today, 32.5% up. We discussed this over on the live stream tonight. We were talking about how I think that so people are upset that Crow is now re-minting all the tokens that they burned over, the course of the Crow's history, right? And a lot of people are upset about that. But then tonight we saw the announcement that Mr. Orange Man, is actually partnering with Crow, right? In a massive partnership that we covered over on in the live stream tonight. So go back and check that out if you want to see more details about it. But that partnership is likely the reason that Crow is reminting all the tokens that they had destroyed. Now, while reminting these tokens seems like it's a very, very negative thing, actually, with this new partnership, it actually makes a lot of sense, and it's actually pretty bullish, which is why you're seeing Crow break out tonight, and maybe potentially, if Bitcoin doesn't crash tonight or tomorrow, we could see Crow continue to climb into tomorrow. So it's very, very bullish news. Anyway, video's not about Crow. I just wanted to throw that out there, guys. All right, so let's have a look across the market, guys. Jasmi up 0.3% on the day, down 8.7 on the week, 41 on the month, and 40.7 on the year. Up one spot in rank to 98, a $605 million market cap, 55 million in volume. Swift coin down 1.5% on the day, down 0.7 on the week, 36.5 on the month, but up 88.5 on the year. Down 8 spots in rank to 323, $107 million market cap, 1.51 million in volume. Not that fantastic in terms of volume. And I've been telling you guys this, right? Like I'm showing you guys the volume and stuff for a reason, right? We've been pumping for the last couple days, and I've been telling you guys it's not sustainable because there's no volume in the market, right? So, and yes, volume can come in like that, but it hasn't, right? So the fact that there's no real volume says that this is most likely a bull trap, right? XCN down 2.1% on the day, 8.2 on the week, and 40 on the month, but up 292 on the year. Down 3 spots in rank to 143, $371 million market cap, 27 million in volume. And ZBEC having the big correction after a massive pump yesterday, down 14.8% on the day, up 3.9 on the week, down 44.5 on the month. We're down 44 spots in rank to 401, a $77 million market cap, 63 million in volume. So let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart and see what is starting to happen here. Boom. Check it out, guys. So we are back down below this blue line here at 86,900. We had a good close and everything, guys, but Death Cross is about to take place, as you can see right there. Again, guys, Death Cross is just a lagging indicator, nothing to panic about. It represents a downside action that's already happened, not one that's coming. So nothing to worry about there, but there is downside coming. I've been telling you guys it's coming. And I told you guys when we were way up here at the peak, I said, guys, we're still earlier today. I said, guys, listen, we're still coming down between 69 and 74, right? The only thing that's going to invalidate that move to me is if we start closing multiple daily candles above this level at $91,000. Anything outside of that, and this is still on the table, right? And I'll happily admit if I'm wrong if we start closing up here. But it looks like we're starting to take our turn to the downside here, and the rest of the week might be fairly red. Could be wrong, but I think before the end of this month, guys, we're going to see that downward pressure, right? We've been talking about it over on the Patreon for like 2 weeks now, how the market is starting to give people confidence, right? This is what you need to watch out for. It's starting to give people confidence. I went over to Crypto Coin Market Cap, and I looked up all the articles. I looked at the list of articles, and all of them were calling for $110,000 Bitcoin all of a sudden, right? That tells me the general sentiment in the market, everyone is now convinced that we're going up because of this, right? Market's about to get rugged, guys. Market's about to get rugged. I've been telling people, have your dry powder on the side for when we come down. And I hope people are ready, because this has built up just enough confidence for all the articles and everyone to be calling for, over $100,000 Bitcoin, $110,000 Bitcoin. Here we go. This is it. We've bottomed. Blah, 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 right? Nope. Sorry, guys. I don't buy it. I don't buy it for a second. Again, I could be the one with egg on my face, and I will be fine with that, because I want the market to pump. I'm not bearish because I don't want prices to go up. I want the market to pump. My bags are packed. Man, go parabolic. I'm all for it. But the charts do not dictate that at this point in time. We have to sweep the lows first before we go into new all-time highs. Been saying it for a while now. And again, I'm fine being wrong. I'm fine. Because listen, charting is not about right and wrong. It's about probabilities. Anyone who thinks otherwise has got a severe lack of experience, not just in crypto markets and stock markets and anything. This is a game of probabilities, not a game of certainties. And if you think anything other than that, you're just wrong, right? So, but yeah, we're going down. We're going down here, guys, in my opinion. We'll see, but 86.6 right now, little under 86.7. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I'll stay on top of it. That's what she said. Let's go have a look over at Jasmi. Still in the falling wedge pattern, guys. We just rejected off the top trend line here, just about. Probably going to make our way down here, probably close to a cent, 1 cent one, something like that. That would be the next move for me on that. And then going over to, let's look at the multi-charts here. It's like the multiverse of crypto. So yeah, like we can see here, XCN still just doing its thing sideways, red, not doing much. Jasmi, same thing. ZBEC down here, we had those big pumps, and then we had the big dump. Now we climbed a little bit earlier, but now we're back down again to the 2010200. So yeah, I mean, just waiting for that pullback, guys. I know most of you guys have your dry powder, so I know most of you guys are ready, right? You're ready for it. All right, so we're going to get into the news here, guys, real quick. But first, as always, we got to give a shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet, guys. The latest top 5 projects being swapped over there: USDC, XRP, Ethereum, XLM, and XDC. Guys, use our link down below. They have a special Filecoin promotion going on. Get 50% off your Decent Self-Custody Wallet. Guys, leaving your crypto in a hot wallet or an exchange like Coinbase Wallet or anything else is like leaving your purse or wallet on a table at a restaurant, getting up and walking away and hoping nobody takes your stuff. It's insane. You wouldn't do it. Why are you doing it in crypto? Put your crypto on your self-custody wallet, not your keys, not your coins. Don't dangle your money out there for hackers to just come along and scoop it up, because, and I promise you this, if you get hacked and your money gets taken, your crypto gets swiped, there is no recourse. There is no one to pay you back. There is no insurance in this game. Hold your keys on your self-custody wallet, or you could potentially lose it, right? All right, moving forward. This, my friends, is why Binance has been attacking Jasmi nonstop, okay? For those who don't understand, well, why would Binance not like Jasmi? Let me break it down for you here one time. Okay, so BNB Greenfield is why, okay? BNB Greenfield is a blockchain-based platform launched by BNB, yes, that's right, Binance, to revolutionize decentralized data storage. Unlike traditional cloud services like Amazon Web Service and Google Drive, here's the linchpin, guys. Listen very carefully to the next couple of words I'm about to say. It gives users full ownership and control over their data while integrating with the broader BNB chain ecosystem. Now, what other project primarily specializes in granting users full ownership and control of their personal data. So then ask yourself this question again. Why would Binance want to attack and keep Jasmi in the innovation zone or delist it in hopes of crashing the project? Well, that would be because they own and run a competitive project. This, my friends, is what you call illegal. So hopefully somebody files a report with the SEC to go after Binance for this illegal activity, because if you saw this in the stock market, my friends, the SEC would be knocking on their door the very next day, and there would be fines like crazy. You cannot do this in the business world. So that, my friends, is why Binance is attacking Jasmi as often as they do. And yes, you are right. If you are feeling outraged right now, you are right to feel that way because it's absurd, right? And it's blatantly obvious. All right, Money Guru says Jasmi price surge likely to come. On-chain indicators show bullish signals. Prices are sluggish, but active addresses are increasing. Jasmi is entering a bear market down from the all-time high of around 9 yen, 5 cents 95, around to around 1 cent 2. However, as of March 23rd, the number of active addresses has reached 897, the highest level since March 10th. This could indicate a rebound in investor interest, raising 365-day average dollar investment age, the MDIA, is bullish. On-chain analysis shows that the mean dollar invested age, the MDIA, has risen from 138 to 146, which is evidenced that holders are becoming more willing to hold long term. Past examples have pointed out that a rise in MDIA is a precursor to a price rebound. So there is a possibility of entering a bull market. If linked to the recovery of the market as a whole, there could be a sharp rise. Jasmi's price is susceptible to the trends of other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and if the market as a whole recovers, Jasmi may rebound. Many investors see the current lows as a prime time to buy, and it's attracting more attention. Absolutely, guys. So these are great buying opportunities. However, remember, if Bitcoin does go further down, then the altcoins will bleed a little bit more, which would present a phenomenal DCA opportunity across the board. Now, real quick, guys, to finish things up, we got this. Check it out. So ETH has had its worst Q1 in history. Ash Crypto says, I think Q2 is going to be different. So with Q1 coming to a close very soon, Ethereum has had the worst Q1 in history. It's very possible we are about to see something over the remainder of this year, give or take a month or two, something absolutely spectacular out of the price action of Ethereum and the altcoins. I'm excited for it. I'm up for it. I'm here for every little bit of it, guys. Listen, get over to the Patreon. We had a fantastic live stream earlier tonight over there. I dropped yet another small cap gem over there, a layer 1 fantastic project, great fundamentals, great tokenomics. You want to get in early on these projects before they jump hundreds of percentages, guys. That's what we do. We get in early. We get our 2, 3, 4, 500% pump. We roll out. We roll those profits into something else. We're compounding gains over there, guys. Flipping projects, making that cheddar. That's what we do. That's how we do. Get over there. One of the largest crypto communities and most educational crypto communities there is out there, guys. We're live every single night. We drop gem videos. You can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. And we are also setting up a brand new Discord for the Patreon members as well, for the Patreon members who prefer Discord to Patreon for user friendliness or whatever the case might be. So check it out, guys. There's so much benefit over there. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain, guys. Listen, if you're new to crypto, if you've never been through a bull run before, there's no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple altcoin seasons. If it means that you can make life-changing wealth for you and your family, you're gaining life-changing wealth, you're gaining experience to be able to navigate the next market cycle for yourself, and so much more, guys. Check it out. The link is down below. We'll see you over there. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.